Welcome to my channel The Learning Club. This is Asad and today I'm going to show you another cool feature of MS Excel. Okay, so in one of my previous video I have shown you guys how to convert data from PDF to Excel, and today I'm going to show you another very cool feature of MS Excel. So you must have come across a scenario in your life when you have some very good data in a piece of paper or maybe on picture file which you want to convert into Excel format without any typing, and you might have. So today I'll show you how can you convert data without any typing any picture data or any kind of information on paper. So let me show you what we need to do. You need to first go to Office mobile app. When you go to Office mobile app, click on this plus sign and you will see three options here: Notes, Lens and Documents. Go to Documents, you will see Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Under Excel, the first option you can see Scan Table. So click on Scan Table, and here I am showing you my laptop screen. Okay, you can see this is a PNG file I have. Let me open. Okay, so you can see I have this piece of data, this information. Okay, let me show you, and I'm gonna take a picture of this. Okay, once you take a picture, then you need to adjust this box according to your requirement. After adjusting this box, whatever information you need, and you say confirm. It will take some time to convert this information basis on how heavy your data is and depend on the size of actually the table or data. And now you can see here these columns highlighted, especially in this pink color, asking you to review. If you want to review the information, do you need this information or not? There are some blanks or something like that. Let's say this, I say edit, I want to make it as August. Done. Okay, here let's say I want to ignore this. Here I would say okay, I don't need, let's say edit, I don't need this information. Okay, and so we'll adjust accordingly whatever information you have one by one. You can adjust here or you can keep it as it is. Once the data you can see on Excel and you can convert this. So after doing all the changes, if you want to do it here or you want to do it later, I would rather prefer to keep this information as it is. We'll go to open and then open anyways, and you can see all the information in MS Excel you have. So you can save this file and then you can open on your laptop and you can make changes according to your requirement. Hope you have learned something new today. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share and recommend this channel in your network, and definitely do leave your comments and let me know how do you feel about this channel and about this video.